Look at the question. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. By Euclid division lemma, we can represent a number a equals to b cube plus r. Here condition remainder r is less than this b, so divisor, and greater than or equals to 0. Now we have to show any positive integer, cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 by using Euclid division lemma. This can be proved by taking b equals to 3 or b equals to 6 or b equals to 9. If we take b equals to 3, we get a 3 cases and 6 cases. If we take b equals to 9, we get 9 cases. If we take this b equals to 6 or 9, we get a lengthy proof, so don't take b equals to 3. So let b equals to 3. This equation, Euclid division lemma, it becomes a number equals to b cube. B is 3 into q plus remainder r. Here r is less than, here divisor 3, and greater than or equals to 0. I am taking case 1. R equals to 0. This equation becomes, say it is equation number 1. Equation 1 implies a equals to 3q plus remainder 0, no, 0. This equation becomes a equals to 3q. Now question is, show that a cube of any positive integer, it is a positive integer. Now apply cube on both sides. A cube equals to 3q whole cube. So a cube equals to 3q whole cube means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Q 3 times multiplication, we get 3 cube. 27 q cube. A cube equals to, that implies a cube equals to 27 can be written as 9 into 3 into, write q cube as it is, 9 3 is 27. Here a cube equals to 9 into q. Here q is an integer cube, we get integer into 3, it is also integer into integer, we get integer. I am considering this 3q cube, this whole part as integer, as m, so 9m. 9 into this total part is integer, m is also integer. Cube of any positive integer is in the form 9m, proved. Case 2, if remainder equals to 1, here first case is remainder 0, here remainder 1. Equation 1 implies this a equals to 3q plus remainder is here 1. Now same, apply cube on both sides. Here a cube equals to 3q plus 1 whole cube. A plus b whole cube form, it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. It is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. It is the formula. A cube equals to, this equation becomes a cube 3q whole cube plus b cube 1 cube plus 3a square. 3 into a square is 3q whole square into b, it is 1 plus 3 into a, it is 3q. In the place of a, 3q into b square. In the place of b, 1, it is 1 square. This equation becomes 3q whole cube 27 q cube plus 1 cube nothing but 1 plus 3q whole square. 3 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. It is q square into 1 nothing but this only we get. 3 into 3 is 9 q into 1 square nothing but 1. 1 into this value we get a 9q only. Now this equation becomes, what is the common in this all terms? From these three terms 9 is the common. Write 9 outside the bracket. 9 into 9 3 is 27 q cube plus from this 9 3 is 27, here q square plus 9 taken out remaining 1 simply q plus here 1. A cube equals to 9 into, here q is integer, q is square also integer, q cube also integer, q is also integer, 3 also integers. Adding integers plus integers we get again integers. So this part totally a integer value. Integer into 9. 9 into that integer, this part I am considering as m plus 1 we have. It is a cube equals to 9m plus 1. In the first case we got 9m. First one proved. Here 9m plus 1. Second one proved. Case 3. Remainder r equals to 2. Don't take up to remainder r equals to 3 because r less than b, here less than 3 means up to 2 only, less than 2. R equals 2. This is the last case. Equation 1 implies this equation, a equals to 3q plus here remainder 2. Applying cube on both sides, here a cube equals to 3q plus 2 whole cube. 3q plus 2 whole cube is in the form of a plus b whole cube. It can be expanded as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. A cube 3q whole cube plus b cube 2q plus 3 into a square 3q whole square 3a square b is 2 plus 3a b square, it is 2 square. This equation implies a cube equals to 3q whole cube, it is 27 q cube plus 2 cube 8 plus 3 square is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 q square into 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 is 9, 9q into 2 square. That implies 27 q cube, 27 q square into 2, 9q into 2 square. From this 9 is the common, right outside the bracket. Now From the 27 remaining 3q cube. From this 9 taken out, remaining 3q square into here 2 there, plus here 9q, 9 taken out, remaining q into 2 square, bracket close, plus remaining 8 there, plus 8. This whole value I am considering as m. M is also an integer, plus remaining 8. This is a cube. Here 9m plus 8. Verification of this cube of positive integers: 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, and so on. 1 cube value 1, it is 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube is 125. Now 1 cube can be written as, it is any of this form: 9 into 0, 9m plus 1 equals to 1. We got it is in the form of 9m plus 1, this one. Next one, it is 8, 9 into 0 plus 8, it is also 8, 9m plus 8. Third one, 27, it can be written as 9 into 3, 9 3 is 27, 27 completed, plus remaining nothing there, means 0. 9 into value directly, it is and 3 is 27, it is 9 into m simply, first one. Next one, it is a 9 into 7, 9 7s 63, remaining 1 equals to, it is 64 equals to 9m plus 1. 9 into m value plus remainder 1 there, 9m plus 1. Second, it is 9 into 13, it is a 117 plus 8, it is 125. It is nothing but it is in the form of 9m plus 8, 9m plus 8.